Welcome to the course on Solidworks 2016. In this tutorial, we will know about application status bar on Solidworks. Status bar basically contains the command related to the display style of the model view. Understand, status bar, we will go to this part, go to new and select this part file and click OK. We can find the status bar on this top of this working space. There are commands. Okay, first let me select this plain white. There are commands such as zoom to fit. We know about this command, zoom to fit and zoom area. After that, previous view, sectional view, then view orientation, display style, show hide items, edit appearance, apply scene and view settings. If we want to make any change on this view setting, we can go to this view and user interface and we can hide this status bar from there. Just make a uncheck on this. We can also customize status bar. Just take the cursor to the status bar and right click, and there are options whichever are highlighting or making a check are viewing in this, so we can make a check on them, or we can select this customize menu, and in this customize menu we have more options. So I press escape. To understand this status bar more deeply, have to open up a drawing file. So I select this file and select the open, and in your project files there are models available. Suppose I open the model number 2 and open. Now we apply different set of commands on this model. First we know about the zoom to fit. It will fit this part on this working space. I select the zoom to fit and it automatically fit the part. Then zoom to area. If I want to specifically zoom on a particular area, we can make this, select the zoom to area, and then we have to select a bounding box. So we have to hold down the left click and make a box and just leave the click, and it will highlight on this component. So I press escape and then zoom out from the roller. Next command in this is the previous view and is a section view. Section view, as the name suggests, display a cutaway of a part or assembly using one or more cross-section planes. We can show the cutting view or of part using this section view command. Suppose I select this section view and it is highlighting the section view from this front plane. We can change the reference of these planes. It is highlighting front plane. We can also select this top plane and right plane. So with respect to each and every plane, the part is cut. Then we have more properties in this. We can also make it offset at some angle, etc. And I cancel it from there. Another option in this is the view orientation. View orientation means we know that on each and every part there are different views, such as top view, bottom view, front view, left view, right view, side view, etc. These are all 2D views. If I select this top view, the part will rotate on the top view. Similarly, for the front view, the part will rotate to front view. Also, we have view orientation in a 3D plane. I go to this view orientation and then we have option for 3D views. 3D views are isometric views, dimetric views and trimetric views. Usually we select this isometric view. Another very important option is rotate to normal. It will automatically rotate according to the plane or cutting plane or the face feature. So rotate to normal basically works when we work on a custom datum plane. After that we have option for display style. I select the display style and we have option shaded with edges, shaded, hidden lines removed, hidden lines and the wireframe. I select this wireframe and the part will only highlight 2D sketches part such as lines, curves, arcs, circles, etc. Then we can also make it hidden lines visible, then hidden part will be visible. and usually we select the shaded with edges view. Then show and hide items. There are a lot of items in this. We want to view planes, view axis, temporary axis, coordinate system. Which part we want to view, we can make a check on them. Just select those part and it will highlight those parts. Edit appearance. Edit appearance basically edit the appearance of this component. With this command we can apply different color to this component. I select this edit appearance and another dialog box window will open from there for appearance. So we just have to select the color which we want on this for this component and it will turn to that color. So I cancel it. After that we have is the apply scene. Apply scene is the background. I select this 3-point faded. So okay, select this restore and then we have different option in this we can apply. Okay, I go to this view and select the interface and I uncheck this task panel. Also we can have different background such as backdrop. It will change the background to this backdrop, then soft spotlight, then rooftop, etc. And similarly we have more option for changing this shadow view, ambient occlusion, perspective and cartoon. And I go to this plain white. If we want to change the units of this component, then we have option in there, that is units. Select this units, then we have MKS unit, meter, kilogram, second, then CGS unit, centimeter, gram and second, and by default software will take mmgs, millimeter, gram, second and IPS. We can also edit document units and from there we can change the units whichever we want. I click OK from there